Hey guys, welcome back to the Rust Room. One of the new projects that we're going to be doing is my 1971 Volkswagen Beetle. I've had the car just over 3 years, and then I drove it for about 6 months and then put it in my garage, and it's been stored sort of ever since. So the plan for the car is to get it back out my garage, get it rolling, and get it back on the road and use it as a daily. In this episode we're going to be taking the wings off and start stripping out the interior in preparation for what you'll see is quite a lot of rust repair.
Oh!
It's funny, isn't it?
Right, custom.
Sick. Look at that mess up there.
Oh, hello.
That's a hazard waiting to happen, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, this is only about 5 wires.
I might have to go through that and tidy some of that up. What else have I done? Just tyres, mate. Really?
Just tyres. Tyres and drive.
Look at the state of this tyre. Look at that. It's been crusty.
Ah, it's a perfect spare, that is.
Wouldn't fancy going down the road on that, would you?
Was it you're saying that it uses the pressure from the spare to do your washer?
So many people that have a Beetle probably already know of this problem, but yeah, you pump that up, put that in there, and it pressurizes the washer tank.
But then what if you need to wash your windows and then you get a flat tyre?
I don't know, it's bad news that. Maybe there on a rickety old foot pump.
Don't you know, pump it up.
Got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. Oh, let's stay there.
Whoa! That's a quality repair there.
That's not my workmanship.
It's just a bit of alley screwed on, isn't it?
Yep. I don't know if it's been tech screwed or...
They look like some...
They look like they're all going to snap, don't they?
Oh yeah, they're all going to snap and all round off. Oh, look at the length of them down there. Look at those bad boys.
Oh, look at the state of this as well. Oh yeah, look at these.
Hell yeah.
Top quality. Before undoing any of the bolts that hold the wings on, I make sure I spray them with WD-40 just to give them the best chance possible of undoing without snapping. Down it, there's like a bit that I'm trying to hold on to. Just here. Keeps spinning round and I can't get it off. I'll whack the rest of that off. Beautiful. Lovely jubbly.
Ooh, yeah, she's loose.
I think we're farming then. There she goes. Here's a beauty. Got to do it so it was like.
Because that's like classic MOT work, just patch on top, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, what age is it? How old is it?
71.
So 71, and it's had like a couple of bits along the bottom. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's doing alright.
It's not terrible, and I mean, if you look like under here, it's pretty. Hello. There's not a great deal left there. Fair, like the battery tray is normally where they rot out, and it's not terrible. Look at that. That doesn't look great, does it?
Twist and tape them.
No. It's the trouble, innit? You just get people that like put bodge on bodge on bodge. And...
Is that rusted out back there?
Yeah.
That's such a weird place to rust.
I know.
Whoa. That door's been sculpted out of filler, isn't it?
Yeah, look at the state of that. Shall I see if I can...
You gonna fix it?
I don't know. That is filler. That's all filler.
That's funny.
So is that.
I mean, good effort.
It's pretty creative, isn't it, with the filler? Before fully undoing all the bolts that hold the wings on, it's very important that you disconnect the headlights and indicators on the front and the indicators on the back. That will just make life a lot easier when you try and get the wings off. Sure, I'd want to jack up on that.
Oh, but that'd be fine. What's the rear arch looking like then?
Not disgusting.
So just the...
Bit of some patchwork going on up there that doesn't look too appetising.
Looks like it's... yeah. Oh, yeah. There's many layers here.
Yeah. And a bit up there actually, by the looks of it. Quite a lot of it actually.
Hello.
You got a hole.
Ooh. Some dodgy patch there with the wing on, and just thought, out of sight, out of mind.
No. Yeah, well, it is what it is, isn't it? Grind it out and crack on.
Fuck me, the whole floor moves when you do that.
So?
Oh my god.
Oh no. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Holy shit.
That's not good, is it?
The whole floor moved when you did that.
Oh mate! That's bad news, isn't it?
Let me see. Fucking hell. I can see through it.
Oh no. How bad is it out of 10?
I mean, I can see through it.
Oh no.
I don't think the floor's connected much to this. Holy shit. Oh, it's still connected up here. It's just the whole tin's just moving.
I'm gonna have to take the body off, aren't I? Well, I think taking the fucking seat out is the least of our problems. No! Oh no! Oh, that's not good, is it?
So, yeah.
No. We should never have driven it down there. Should have just left it to rot in peace in my garage. What am I going to do, mate? Knackered, isn't it? Can I chuck this in your car?
Oh, you going home?
Yeah, see you later, mate.
So, I was over there working, and I heard a big "oh no" come from Ben. What we got?
Well, there's a bit down there that doesn't look too fucking pretty. I don't know what's going on down there. Oh, man. That's not, man, that's nothing.
Oh, it doesn't look too bad from the offset, but then what is going on here? That's what those patches are covering then, mate. You can see where it's welded around the top
look
there.
Look at it, mate.
And just patched over the top.
That's not good, is it?
I mean, on the bright side, that one's alright. Fuck me.
That's bad, isn't it? Look where they've welded it and they've just gone, nah, I'm not cutting that out. They've driven that into a garage and been like, can you just do the cheapest repair you can?
Yeah, that's it. So you drove it up today.
Yeah, drove it up today.
And now now it's, undrivable. Well, put wheels on it, it'd be alright,
To
wouldn't it?
be fair, you could put wheels on it and dash on. Wouldn't have any lights though.
Oh, yeah, true.
I think it's safe to say it's worse than we thought it was.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, we didn't do a time lapse of the inside, but we've stripped the inside out now. But yeah, the inside is not great. Mainly the heater channels are,
Non-existent.
knackered.
Yeah, like we saw in that up close earlier. It's meant to be holding onto the floor. Well, the floor
as
pan.
you can see, like when you put a bit of weight on the whole
Yeah, it's nothing
floor
holding it on.
flexes a bit.
It's just a bit of. It's held on with a bit of rubber.
Hopes and dreams, mate.
Yeah.
Innit? Bit of hopes and dreams. More patches than I thought there was.
From
Including
under
that
the
quite bad one.
I mean, from under the wings, it didn't look horrific, did it? But when you
No.
actually look the other side of it, it makes you wonder what's the other side of like these down here.
Yeah. So the plan is to essentially take the body off, innit?
Well, that's what we were umming and ahhing, but I think that's probably the easiest way forward, isn't it? Yeah. Bring on 2021, eh?
Yeah, it's gonna be a funny year, isn't it? And just lift it up and roll it back in.
Oh, just put it on, mate.
Yeah,
Easy.
Put it on easy. It's
Easy
gonna be
peasy.
heavy, innit? It's gonna be unliftable. We're not gonna be able to lift it off, are we?
No. Well, we'll just use a spongy, shall we?
Yeah, you're right, mate. Isn't it? It's quite obvious that this is definitely worse than I first anticipated, which probably means that the old starlet in the corner over there is going to take a little bit longer than we'd hoped.
Yeah. It's getting buried with beetle parts by the second.
Yeah, so originally, obviously, it was just a plan to. Well, I was hoping to just underseal this and daily it. But further inspections sort of led otherwise, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it.
But yeah, try and get this done as quick as possible. As you've probably seen already, we've got the donor car ready for the starlet. We had a little measure up the other day, and I think there's going to be.
It's going to be a bit
fab work to get
a little bit more work, as it's quite a short, quite a narrow engine bay between the chassis rails, and the old K20 is a bit bigger than we thought.
Yeah, but
I'm optimistic that we can make it work.
we'll hopefully massage it in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, hoping to get this done as quick as possible. I didn't really want to spend much time or money on it if possible.
Yeah. So the old starlet's on the back burner for a little bit.
Yeah.
While this gets done. Well, I've pretty much done with the engine for the Maestro now, for the van. So I've actually bought my other car up, my other project, which I've had for many years. So I'm going to actually do that now, as the van's still got MOT for a few months. So I'm going to just keep using it and try and get my new project on the road. But there'll be more on that in the next video.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more episodes.
Marina Blau.